Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're handling teamwork, deadlines, and project planning, learning how to use Zoho Projects can seriously improve your workflow. In this full guide, I'll show you how to manage Zoho Projects step by step in 2026. First, log in and click Create Project. This is where everything starts. Now enter your project name, description, and start date. Yeah, this helps organize your workflow clearly. Next, invite your team members. You can assign roles like admin, manager, or worker. Go to the Tasks section and create your first task. Break big work into smaller steps. Assign tasks to team members so everyone knows what to do. You can organize tasks into lists and set milestones for important deadlines. The Gantt chart shows your entire project timeline visually. Yeah, it helps track deadlines easily. Use comments and discussions inside tasks to communicate with your team. You can track time spent on tasks using the built-in time tracker. Finally, check reports to see project progress, completed tasks, and productivity. And that's it. Now you can fully manage projects, tasks, and teams using Zoho Projects.